Hello everyone, myself Dinesh, and I want to talk about ChatGPT. A ChatGPT is a AI chatbot which can provide responses as a human provides in a text box. We can ask any different types of questions in ChatGPT, and it gives an approximate response every time we ask. And the responses given by the ChatGPT is more accurate than some other chatbots. And if we talk about ChatGPT and why we need to use ChatGPT, if we ask the same question to the Google, then it gives some related content related websites, and it doesn't give the direct content about the given question. But in ChatGPT, it gives the direct content so that we can uh, we can read the content and we can understand the content directly. No need to search for some other website, and it may delay some time in some cases, and we may not get the related answers in sometimes. So ChatGPT is better when we need to get some content related things. And the ChatGPT can be used in different types of scenarios, not only to the topics to understand some topics or else. Like it can create some content. Like we ask the ChatGPT to create a story, then it writes a story and give it to us. And it may not be up to the more innovative level, but it can create its own story on its own, and it can also create a timetable. If we give some timings and our timings and the things need to be done, then it can create a timetable based on our given input, and it can also use it to optimize the given code. If we give a code to the ChatGPT and we ask the ChatGPT to optimize the code such that it can reduce the runtime, then it can optimize the given code and gives the resultant code in the text box. And it can also be used in different scenarios where we want to create project outline, etc. The ChatGPT can be a potential tool in the future, or in the present also it can be used as a potential tool, not just to copy the homework or some other things, but it can be used to provide more content and more innovative, so that we need to focus on the task, not how to do, and so that other things can be done by ChatGPT. I hope that everyone has learned something new. Thank you.